Let's find where the data is. With the where clause.
Okay, so we are going to see what is the order ID and category when sales was more than 1000 rupees. So this is a sales each time, right? So it is asking that tell me the order ID. Order ID is it a distinct, right? So we have to tell the order ID and the category name when sales was more than 1000 rupees. For example, this is the one. This is the order ID and this is the category when sales was more than 1000 rupees, that is 1500. This one will not qualify because it's not more than 1000 rupees, right? Okay, with this example we'll understand the where clause. Let's see. So we need from sales orders where amount was greater than 1000. What we need select order ID and category, right? Let's have the amount column also just for the confirmation. Okay, now you see this is the result. So we have order ID 101, sold categories electronics, and the sales amount was 1200. Order ID 107, again it's electronics, sales amount is this. So these are the three order when the sell amount was more than 1000 rupees. We'll understand this with the help of Excel. Table, we have to find the order ID and the category where amount was more than 1000. So we can just simply write where amount is more than 1000, and from this table it will filter. It's a row based filter, so each row it will go and filter. Okay, so where amount is greater than 100,000, it checks here, it is qualifying, yes. So this complete row will come here. Okay, then it check amount is more than 1000, no it is not qualifying, it is 800 less than 1000, 450, 750, 650, it is more than 1000, right? This one. So this row again qualifies for the things. So this is a complete row will come here. Again more than 1000, it looks it is 250, no it is 900, no 600, 400, 1100, this is more than 1000, right? Yeah, so this row again qualifies for the final output, and it comes here in the final output. So this is the way where clause works. So where clause is applied row by row. It goes on each row and check the condition, and if condition is satisfied, it pulls the complete row in the output. Now in the output, we don't need this much. In the output, I think we only need order ID and category. So we can write select statement, order ID and category, and I think only these two rows are required. Order ID, category, and amount. This is the one that is required here, right?